Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to draw a curve-shaped countertop. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already laid out a few cabinets, right? So we can directly just click onto our kitchen cabinet function, right? So in order to draw a curve-shaped countertop, alright, so we need to use the free drawing countertop function, alright? So let's click onto the free drawing countertop and you'll see something like that. So all we need to do is use this function, the draw function. So we can start by drawing. So I'm going to draw slightly a little bit out from my cabinets. So make sure you join the lines all together. Alright, so right now you have already drawn the shape of your countertop. We can start by creating the curve on each and every side. Alright, so as you can see, there's a circle over here at the corner. You can just click onto it, and then over here at the point edit, we can always select the outer fillet. Alright, so for this one, which is the radius, I'm going to change it to 300, right? And for the number of segments, I'm going to change it to 100. Alright, so over here I'll be doing the same. Alright, so select the outer fillet, change the radius, and also change the segment. Alright, so moving on to this middle part. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and then same thing, I would like to change the radius and also the segment. For this side, so we need to always adjust the radius. Alright, so adjust according to what you wish for. Okay, so for this side, I'll make it slightly radius. Okay, the radius I'll be making it slightly bigger, so I'm going to put in 500. And of course, for this side, I'll be putting in the same number, 500. And also for this segment, 100. And of course, we can always extend a little bit more by dragging the arrows, just like that. Alright, so once we are done, we can immediately just choose the pattern of our countertop. Right, so I'm going to choose this right angle countertop, and then moving on, choose your material. Alright, so once I'm done choosing both of this, I can immediately just click on generate. And as you can see, this is how to draw a curve-shaped countertop. Good luck trying, guys.